2025 Mercedes EQA 250 Plus is now with 561 kilometers of electric range, and all EQA variants, including four-wheel drive models, are now with same 70.5 kilowatt-hour battery. The battery cell supplier for the older 66.5 kilowatt-hour battery is now omitted, and now the 70.5 kilowatt-hour batteries are installed in the all EQA models. The new entry-level price of the EQA 250 Plus is also reduced from previous 52,205 euros to 51,610 euros. That is 595 euros less than previous EQA model year. The range of the EQA 300 and EQA 354 wheel drive models is also now increased from 459 kilometers to 477 kilometers, thanks to bigger 70.5 kilowatt-hour battery. Other technical details are unchanged. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to get new videos.